I'm going back to my old barn. I'm gonna need new clothes. But before we spend a bunch of money, let's go see if the old ones fit.
No.
Let me try this one. It's from 6th grade.
Just go ahead and stop now. That's not working either.
But those are Academy show clothes for saddle seat. And I don't have to worry about that just yet. Right now, I need pants for lessons because they want you to look all fancy. I like riding in jeans.
I got these two from Carrots. Why don't you try those on and see how they look? Gray pair, green pair. All right, we're good to go. I think Johnny likes that. It's going a little crazy. He's like a giant dog. We're spending the day with Johnny and practicing some saddle seat, even though he's not a saddle seat horse. But that is what we originally bought him for. It's hot. Even though we waited till 6:30 to even come out to the barn, it's still pretty warm. And little Froggy is actually grooming the horse. It must be my birthday. You are doing a great job.
I forgot my hair tie, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to get my hair in the helmet. And I lost one of my 3 bobby pins. So now I only have 2 bobby pins, which is not enough for my hair. So fun. But luckily, I happened to get her to brush his tail. This is what happens when you have too much hair and no bobby pins.
Warm-up time. Today, maybe you should just focus on the legs. So you should be able to hold like $1 on your knees, and then the rest of your leg is not touching the barrel of the horse. And I want those feet turned facing forward. Turn those feet out. Facing forward. There we go. Now just hold that. We want a nice line from your body down to your feet. So yeah, bring the heel back a little, but you need to pull it away from the horse. All right, let's try walking with your legs in position. See all that sunlight between her leg and the horse? No, that's not right either.
I completely forgotten how to do this. It's gonna take some practice.
Maybe we should stop for the day. I'm like melting here. Wow, they look tired. It's Wednesday morning and we're at the airport, heading to California for VidCon. The doors are now closing. I got separated from my family and now I have to sit by myself. Just landed in Cali and we're here! VidCon 2019.
I miss when we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts.
We're having so much fun at VidCon 2019, but we're a little sad that we had to leave Johnny for a few days.
I'm going in the dream house! Yes, we get to walk inside of the dream house at VidCon. Barbie's dream house, because it's like the only dream house, right? There's Barbie, and there's little Froggy cooking up something in the kitchen. Well, I guess she's just boiling water. That's the only thing I know how to cook. We got a fridge here. How awesome is that? Loving that. Ooh, a little recycling bin. We might have to build this. This looks really simple to build, everybody. Definitely a must-do. Look, even in their life-size version, we've got cardboard cutouts. I'm telling you, cardboard cutouts are everywhere. Barbie's very famous reversible table. Look at that. Oh wait, we're gonna get a demonstration. Oh, it actually flips over. Okay, I'm sold. We are now in Barbie's bedroom. And it's as adorable as you could possibly ever imagine. They even have the same fabric that's in the dream house. Dude. Oh, I might have to make this. I need this in my actual house now that I know it is doable in life size.
So, I know you didn't know how to do this. This is your mic.
It's actually the same mic I have at home.
Oh, is it? Amazing. Alright, so it'll give you a 4-second countdown. And then once you see it hit, you can go ahead and say goodbye. And you can just hit stop.
Okay. I'm just practicing. Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
I have to record what I'm going to say. I'm going to say, with Froggy, and I'm in Barbie's Dreamhouse. And I'm recording my very own vlog in Barbie Dreamhouse. I feel like a doll in a dollhouse, but I'm life-size in real life. What's up? I'm Froggy, and I'm in Barbie's Dreamhouse. I feel like a doll in a dollhouse, but in real life, in a real house. Okay, so I'm totally geeked up here, and I would love to like do a whole conversation and have a whole vlog and have my dolls everywhere. I had to pack light because of the airplane. I'm rambling. Okay, I'm not good at this whole vlog thing, but this is awesome. All right, peace out, people. Love you. Hanging out with Sims 4, y'all. I see the chair from Blue's Clues. We're going into the jungle to see Dora and the Lost City of Gold. I absolutely love Dora. This is like the show I showed Little Froggy all the time when she was little. She watched Dora all the time. She had the outfit, she had the chair. She sang the song nonstop, clean up, clean up. And now there's a movie coming out. We're so excited to see that movie. And this exhibit is amazing. You look like Frankenstein. That doesn't look like sneaking. Here we go. And the temple.
We are here with Barbie Gets Real, a fantastic channel on Instagram.
Just hooked up my due at Flinger. I'm at Disney Descendants, and there's a button. When you push the button, it lets you know what family you're under. So let's push the button right now and find out. All right, we're gonna see. Uma! Yes, my girl. What's my name? Chilling in a giant ball pit, the Lemonade Ball Pit. What are you doing? Are you on Instagram? We're definitely enjoying ourselves at VidCon. I gotta say, I love the Dream House. I love getting to meet Tahani and Michael, what is it? Michael Michelle from LO Surprise, and all of you. What is your favorite part?
My favorite part was definitely the fans. It wouldn't be fun without y'all. Like,
it is awesome, absolutely awesome. We've met so many amazing people, and I love getting a chance to say hi and take pictures with all of you. So thank you so much. We love you.